Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This trip we head down to the famous Barrington Tops where we explore some awesome views, amazing campsites and plenty of swimming holes. So stick around, you don't want to miss this one. It's going to be an epic trip. Oh, how sick is this? Place to ourselves. Oh, can't wait to jump in. Oh, this is sick.
You're gonna have to do a long jump.
Yes, I'm keen for a jump in there. Apparently there's a slide over here somewhere.
Oh, no.
Is that the slide?
Nah, that's the slide.
Nah, that's not the slide.
No, down there maybe?
Oh, maybe. Oh, this is sick. What a spot. Even the weather's turned it on. Let's jump in, let's do it. Man, Ladies Well is a perfect spot. Keen to get down here summer. It was bloody nice today, but it's still a bit fresh, so we finished up having a swim. We're just gonna go find a camp. There's plenty of camp spots along this road, so we're gonna go find one, grab some wood, and then cook a feed up tonight. Pretty keen for that. And yeah, hopefully this rain stays away, but as per usual, it's not a trip without rain. This is a free camp we decided to camp at tonight. It's a pretty good spot, it's clean. There's like a whole bunch of bins. There's toilets up there. Like it says on the sign, you're allowed to camp, fire and that. The only thing that sucks is like you can't park your car right there. So you gotta throw everything over, but it's a good spot. The creek's just over here, it's like a picnic area. But it's a good spot. Just need this rain to go away over it. Couldn't say no to a quick morning dip before we leave. It's like 7:30, so it's just gonna be freezing. Well, we've packed up, finished at Ladies Well. Such an epic spot. It's definitely the perfect overnight place just to go, chill, swim. And it was good because we've come during the week and no one was there. We've got the whole place to ourselves. So if you do come on the weekend, it can get busy. So just keep that in mind. And with the camp spots there as well, I'd say it'd be the same. It'd get pretty packed. But yeah, we're just leaving there. We're gonna punch it back to the highway. We've got a 3-hour drive to Barrington Tops. And then yeah, we're just gonna go explore and wander in there. We've both never been there before, so we're super excited to get in there. It's a really nice place, so hopefully we can find a good camp, and yeah, just keen to see what we find along the way. Just gonna open up the dingo gate. Don't know how to drive auto, mate. Oh, so keen. Now we made it to the gate. It's time to find some cool stuff. First stop at Barrington, we're at the Firs. Definitely a spot to check out if you like taking cool photos. Looks awesome with these pine forests in the back. I reckon it'll look awesome with fog rolling in, but top spot, definitely worth checking out. We're just gonna have a quick lunch and check the map and work out the next spot. Checking out one of the campgrounds, and how good's this? Found this little thing hiding next to it. How good. Looks like it's even deep enough to have a swim in there. Nice. Oh, we're gonna head back up, and then there's another waterfall just up about a K down the road, so we're gonna check that out, and then yeah, check the map again and see what else we can find. There's still a lot of roads closed, so we don't know what we can and can't see, so see how we go. Another cool little spot, pumping. Be nice to swim in there, like even over there you can see how clear it is. It's bloody awesome. And there's even like a viewing platform up there you don't want to walk down. This is awesome. Just that pole blue, checking it out. There is a bit of a walk if anyone wants to do it. Swamp track, 2 kilometers, hour walk. Seems pretty cool, let's check it out. So cold up here now, like even with the wind it's not helping, but I don't think I'll do the whole walk. I wanted to do it, but Scott's going to stay in the car because it's freezing, and yeah, I don't blame him. So there's like a couple of boardwalks just up here at the start of the walk you can check out, so we'll have a look and see what it looks like. Might even send the drone, check it out. Oh wow, look how clear that water is. Pretty nice. Runs all in there, so I flew the drone, goes like miles. It's really cool, like full just like S-bends and all that all the way through there, which is pretty cool. Lost the drone for the second time this weekend. Thought it was a good idea to send it out on the lookout, and it's that windy it didn't want to fly back. Took us a good 5 minutes getting it back, but we got it, thank God. That's all I need to lose another one. That's my luck. Flat tire. Oh, I just want to get to camp. Don't know why it's flat, but we're just going to pump it up and then check it out at camp, see if we can plug it, or maybe it's a valve, I don't know. Have a look then, take it off. All the car's fixed, couldn't fix the tyre, put 2 plugs in, it was just stuff, so put the spare on, which the spare, silly me, is a smaller size tyre, so I had to put it on the front, and I put the front tyre on the back so it doesn't wreck the back diff. But lesson learnt, gotta get a 5th tyre, totally forgot about. Oh, now that the car's done, I'll quickly show you his camp for the night. It's a pretty good spot. I'll probably, it's too late to fly the drone, it's pretty windy and that, but I'll show you guys the creek in the morning. But yeah, this is the creek anyway. There's like full rapids and stuff like that. I'll show you guys in the morning, but there's even a creek crossing along here. We're gonna walk it in the morning, see how deep it is, and then full drive out, see what's up there. But yeah, I'll quickly show you before it gets dark. It's not a bad spot. Scott's over there, he's already got the fire going while I was working on the car. It's cooking a roast and stuff, so he's got that on there. We're stoked for that. But yeah, it's not a bad spot. Placed ourselves. What a win. Time to go clean up, have a couple drinks and sit by the fire. Hey legends, welcome to the last day of our trip. Pretty keen to just sit back and take it easy today. Yesterday we did all the touristy stuff, and today there's 2 waterfalls I want to check out. We're going to see how far they are to get to, and then I think we're just going to make our way out. So I'm just following this river stream up here, going for a bit of a hike. It's about a K down from our camp. There's a waterfall I've seen on the drone, so I'm going to go do that while Scotty's sleeping in, and yeah, see if I can get there. It's pretty thick pushing through here, and I've got to watch for snakes and stuff, but this river stream is awesome. It's bloody a nice spot, I'll tell you that. Pretty keen to check this waterfall out, get back and have a quick dip. Hike's taking way longer than what I thought, but I can hear it, so hopefully I'm not too far away. There's bloody a mission to get here. Made it, yes! It's pumping, look at that. We're at the top right now. We're gonna have a look over here, see if I can hike down. It's even bigger than what I thought, so look at that, stoked, found this. Well, we made it. How good is this? It's pumping at the moment, so much spray. Probably hard to see on the camera, but it's bloody awesome. Glad I came and checked this out. Gonna sit back, try and get a couple cool photos. And I'm so stoked that I found that. That was awesome. Just the amount of spray that is coming off there. I've never been to a waterfall that's sprayed that much. Like, just covered me head to toe within like seconds. I'm drenched, but sucks we couldn't really film or take any photos of it because it just soaked the camera. So doesn't matter. Got to see it. That's the best part. And I didn't even know it was there, so it's even better. But yeah, I'm just gonna hike back up now, get back to camp, cook some brekkie, meet up with Scott, and then hopefully go for a swim and maybe a fish and a full drive. I reckon sounds good. Thought while we're up at Barrington, we'll bring the rods out, have a go at fly fishing. We have wrong setup, no idea what we're doing, but we're gonna have a crack anyway. Scott's just nice, we got another hook. Yeah, Scott brought a couple, so we're gonna try, but yeah, hopefully we catch something. It'd be pretty cool, but if not, just a bit of fun. Spot we were just at is called Junction Pools, and I'll tell you what, it's probably one of the best spots I've been to in Barrington so far on this trip. It's got like mad swimming holes, and even the fishing wasn't too bad. Like obviously we didn't catch anything as usual because we're the worst fishermen ever, but there was like heaps of fish around we could see and stuff like that, just none of them wanted to bite. And even had a cool little campground up top, so definitely recommend checking it out. It is a full drive access only trail, so it's like 12 k's in, 12 k's out, but it was easy as we didn't even put it in full drive at all, so definitely worth checking out. There's even some brumbies and stuff like that running around up there. We've seen one on the trail that he got scared from us, so that was pretty cool to see. But definitely recommend checking it out. It'd be a top summer spot. Can't believe how many fire trails and roads are still closed up here from all the damaged weather and things like that. Just making it hard to get to some of these spots we want to go visit, but it doesn't matter. I think we're just going to plan another trip to come up here when more things open up, make it a bit easier for us, because you just drive around all day and get nowhere with locked gates or closed signs and things like that. So it doesn't matter, it's part of the journey. Just keep finding stuff to do. Decided to end our Barrington trip here. Hope you guys enjoyed watching it as much as we did. We had such an epic trip and keen to get back here again. So don't forget to share, like, subscribe. See you on the next one's Legends. Cheers.